Hello friends. So if you are a founder, marketers or any kind of professional, I'm sure you need to create a draft and doc in your daily professional lives, whether it is for marketing, for research, for presentations, for sales report, any kind of work. So today I'm going to show you an magical AI tool that helps you to create visuals like these just from your text. And very important things, it's free to use because it's provide 100 free credits every day. So without waiting, let's go to the tool and see how to use tool to create our visuals. First of all, go to the tools website. You will find these tools link in the description as well as in the first comment. Go and click on it. So once you click on it, it will take you to the website of the AI tool. Now, first, let's see the core feature of this tool. So you can see on your screen, so it helps you to generate text to visuals. It's also going to help you in writing as a writing assistant. You can do a lot of customization and you can also do collaboration and export it with real-time team sharing. Like these are the main core features. Now, if you are wondering, text to visuals is very familiar words, and you can see with the Nano Banana and GPTs and many other tools are also helping you to generate images. Okay, but the difference is it's images, not the visuals. Or if you're creating visuals which is relevant to your text, then these kind of tools are really useful. So let's move forward and see how to use Diagrimo to create visuals from our text and customize them. So let's get started. First, we need to log in. For that, click on Try Diagrimo box here. After that, log in using your Google account. As soon as you log in, welcome to Diagrimo panel will open. Here, under how to use and how it works, it explains in text how to use this tool. But we will see it practically how to use it. So let's click on Create on the left side. As soon as you click, a new page will open. Here we see a box where we need to enter our topic. So let's say if you have already your content ready in the doc or text file, you can just copy it and put it here. So we have it ready, so I'll paste it, e-commerce customer journey here. Now, this is kind of a managerial task report where I just want to highlight how a customer will go and behave in entire e-commerce shopping journey. You can create for any these kind of topics, for managers, for your sales report, for your presentations, any even the content research report. You can put any kind of those report and you can start generating visuals. So after that, there is a generate button. You can click on it. As soon as you click, it will prepare our content in just few seconds. So here you can see it has created our content with all bullet points. Now this is AI generated. You can also put down your own content as well. And you can also take help of AI to improve it. Now on your screen you can see it's showing only text based output. Now we need to add visual under it to make it look right. For that, bring cursor before any bullet or content here. You will see a magic icon. Click on it. As soon as you click, your visual will be ready in few seconds. You have to wait for few seconds to minute, and on screen you can see our first visual is ready. Looks good, right? So on its left side there is an option to select style and visual theme, which can help you to show and explain visual properly. You can select according to your choice. Then comes if you want to change your colors, meaning if it is not according to your brand guideline, then click on any elements, icon or text, and you can change the color or text from here. Here, similarly, you can create visuals with all content and change text, color, style according to your need. Then on right side of diagram, there are some settings given. Visual style, canvas background and node change. You can adjust from here. So you can try it by yourself and see what difference it makes. From here, you can download visuals too, and if you don't like it, you can delete them as well. Then here some lines are given. These are our bullet points that make diagram. Click on them to go directly to that specific part of editing or customizing. So it is a kind of index for your entire document. Then on the left side, there are 3 dots. Once you click on it, you can see many options like add to favorite, copy share link, rename, move to trash. So you can use whichever you need. I guess most of them are self-explanatory. Now look at this final result. One important thing, you can share this diagram with your friends and you can make all the editing live with your friends or team members. Second important thing, they provide 100 free credits every day. Means you get 100 free credits to create your docs every day. So I guess that is more than enough if you have a limited or regular use. If you want any professional use, then you can definitely go for their paid plan. So if you find these my diagrams entire walkthrough tutorial useful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel and share this video with all of your professional friends. See you in the next one.